Hi everyone, today I'm sharing some related informations. I want the trip to Khorfakkan, best places worth visiting. And an horse ride to Khorfakkan is an entirely different experience from the cityscape of Dubai and the deserts of the UAE. Or enjoy the calm watches by going for a boat ride that's much more affordable when compared to Dubai. Keep reading the guides. Khorfakkan is what the visit if you are tired of the city and desert life. Let's stay to the mountains and the beach of Khorfakkan for a relaxing weekend. One can wave the mountains with tunnels that spout the way for the vehicles to cross while riding to Khorfakkan, situated in the Emirates of Sharjah and surrounded by the Emirates of Fujairah. It is a city facing the Gulf of Oman. With so many activities from bay watching the beach to hiking, Khorfakkan might be the best place for a relaxing day during the weekend. Let your inner adventures come alive here through paragliding or jet skiing. This is Al Multaka Tunnel. You can enjoy here the calm water by going for a boat ride that's much more affordable when compared to Dubai. Keep reading the guides to acquire all the pertinent information that you need for your trip to Khorfakkan, things to do, places to visit, ideal timings, and so much more. Khorfakkan Beach, a popular and preferred quick gateway for the locals as the Khorfakkan Beach, with activities like jet skiing, paragliding, and boating. This beach attracts huge crowds during the weekend. You can swim along the shores of the beach with numerous food trucks, restaurants, play area, and a promenade that runs along the beach fronts. You can happily spend an evening here with the view of low water to the front against the backdrop of the stoic Hajar Mountains. This is a popular spot for boating with beautiful wave of mountains and pristine blue waters throughout the year. This place is a tourist oasis. You will be able to spot ducks and deer during the boat ride. There's a cafe, a restaurant, a very small man-made waterfall, a mosque, a supermarket, and a safe play area. Khorfakkan Square waterfalls. These places are found beside the road and they serve as quick car stop with 4 entrances and fountains. The Khorfakkan Square is round about park, good for a picnic or even an evening stroll. An artificial waterfall is a picture square place that to everyone delights glows during the night. Most people come here and spend the weekend with their families and enjoy much more.